Welcome to Delf Stack, and this is how to select multiple chats on Messenger. So guys, today I will be discussing on how to select multiple chats or if this is possible on the Messenger app. So first thing is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Messenger application into your device. Now, from here, as you can see, guys, when I tap and hold a specific message, there are no option to select multiple chats at the same time on Messenger. But if your purpose, guys, is deleting them, there are a feature on the Messenger which you could select multiple conversations that you can delete. So from here on the inbox that you just hold, you will have an option delete down below. And once you have a tap on delete over here, you will have a pop-up down below, delete more. So when you tap on that, as you can see, you can select multiple chats that you might want to delete. Or if you want to delete everything, select the three dots on the top right and you can select all. And as of now, these are the only way to select multiple chats is by deleting them, or if you are on the archive tab on your messenger, you will have an option over here on the three dots on the top right, select chats, and you should be able to select multiple chats to unarchive them or delete them as well. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.